In this video, we'll see how to change a license plate lighting lamp. I will change the original incandescent lamp for another LED and do a brief comparison. I will also talk about the characteristics that I took into account in choosing the new lamp. The change is very easy, you just have to remove the illuminator lampshade by pressing its side tab. The lamp has a wedge-shaped base and fits into its socket. We can remove it by pulling it, or pushing its rear part. I will change the original incandescent for a LED lamp. Here we can see the difference in lighting. Uniform white LED light, and the warm light of the original lamp of incandescence. Here we can see it better in the dark. This type of W5W lamp, in addition to illuminating the license plate, it is used for other functions, such as interior lighting, or for position lighting. What I took into account most when choosing a new LED license plate light is brightness. The original incandescent has 50 lumens. If the LED lamp is approved, we can distinguish it because it has the indication, street legal. In addition to having lower consumption and longer life, it has a brightness of 50 lumens. When choosing the LED lamp, I recommend that you take into account its luminosity, which must be the same or as similar as possible to the original, so that it illuminates only the license plate, and not the entire rear part. Also, instead of changing just the lamp, we can choose to change the entire illuminator for another LED one, which is dismantled just as easily. And finally, add that in most low and mid-range Renault Dacia models, a failure in the license plate lighting does not cause a fault message on the instrument panel.